Venkatesh?
My name is Venkatesh Miryala. I have completed MCA in 2014.
Okay.
After
Okay.
I took preparation government jobs. So I
Okay.
go to
Okay. Great. Yeah. Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad.
Yeah, this is Prasad. Did my BTech in 2015. I did. After that, I prepared for competitive exams. I didn't get any job, and I did many courses like DevOps, Salesforce, like AWS. That time also I don't get any job. That's why I'm choosing ServiceNow tool because it is my friend suggested that this is the tool we can learn easily and we can sustain in the IT industry.
Agree, Durga Prasad. That what you said is very easy to learn and you can sustain in IT also. Agree. Thank you, Prasad. Thank you, Durga Prasad. Rajsekhar? Why Rajsekhar is not unmute himself? Rajsekhar? Okay. Yeah, maybe he's having some issues on mic, something maybe. Okay. So I'm just go to an overview of these things. What we need to take like ServiceNow. So nowadays ServiceNow is offering a voucher for to write the ServiceNow administrator exam. Venkatesh? So
yes.
meanwhile, you can unmute yourself, Venkatesh, because background noise is coming.
Okay.
Mute yourself. Yeah, thanks, Venkatesh. So the thing is, nowadays ServiceNow is providing a voucher, free voucher, with the cost of $200. So it may be around 15 to 20,000. Nowadays ServiceNow is providing that voucher to us to take the exam with the free of cost. Okay. So after joining this course, within a 1 week, we just working on the voucher to complete it as soon as possible. So the voucher is valid for 1 year. Within the 1 year, we can we can take the ServiceNow administrator exam through online or offline. We can get the from ServiceNow. We have to get certified from ServiceNow. Okay. Then today we just see the agenda. What is ServiceNow? Why we need ServiceNow tool? Why we are working on it? So we just take simple things. So do you know what is cloud computing? Any guys? Durga Prasad, Venkatesh? What is cloud computing? Venkatesh?
Yes, yes.
Do you know what is cloud computing? Any idea?
No, ma'am. But cloud computing is a cloud-based storage systems.
Yes. Yeah. See, we are using nowadays Gmail, right? Gmail account. So
Gmail,
where
Google.
all the data will be stored, Google Drive. So that is coming under cloud computing. So with the use of internet, we are accessing the cloud computing. So that is cloud computing here. So you can see here cloud computing. There are types of cloud computing inside that. So IaaS, infrastructure as a services, PaaS, platform as a services, and SaaS, software as a services. In software as a services, we are using the ServiceNow. So through the Gmail link. So if I want to open my Gmail link, I just type Gmail. Through this link, along with the internet, I can achieve this. Okay, so this is what cloud computing is. And even storage also, like storage, something we have to store here. Yeah, we have a Google Drive. So that is an example, real-time example of cloud computing. Okay, what are the types? So types we can see later. So what is the cloud computing in a sense? Use of services, computer programs, etc. through the internet. You can buy and put on your computer. So that is the one. So nowadays, cloud computing is on demand of IT sources, such as we want to store more data. For example, if you're working in company, so you want to store more and more data into the cloud, we can give like nowadays Amazon Web Services providing the storage things, so that we have to pay some amount. Company have to pay some amount to precise and secure data into the AWS. So that is it's a simple definition. Through internet we can access the services. That's it. Okay, so what is types of cloud computing? Cloud computing, it will have to be two types. One is development model and the service module. So development, we can say that public, hybrid, private. So if it is a public cloud, we can use Gmail here. So private cloud, company can use here. Hybrid cloud, in the sense it to be part of this. Something we have to public, and more than that we have to get amount. So that will be take place in hybrid. But in service model, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Okay, software as a services, platform as a services, infrastructure as a services. Any doubt here? Venkatesh, Durga Prasad?
No doubt.
Rajsekar? No doubt. Can I ask question then? What is cloud computing, Venkatesh?
Cloud computing is a like we can purchase the online. For example, Photoshop is you can using the online at any place.
Yeah, through the internet we can access the services. That's it called cloud computing. What are the types of cloud computing in service model, Durga Prasad?
IaaS, PaaS, SaaS.
So what is IaaS? IaaS.
Infrastructure as a services, and platform as a services, and software as a services.
Yeah, great. We can go to now what is ITL. So like this is the basic fundamental things before we are moving to service now. So that's what I just want to give you an overview. So what is ITL? So ITL, see, we have a standard, service level standards. See, even we just go to buy milk. So that is the highest for standard milk. It's a pasteurized milk. It's a like a more factorized milk. Like that, they will separate and they will see it from the government. The same rule, we have to follow some standards to give the best practices to the IT services. That is called ITL. We can discuss later in the section this thing. So okay, now I just come to what is ITSM. So what is ITSM? So we have in service now we have three topics: ITSM, ITOM, ITBM. But in this course we just take the basic fundamentals of ITSM. Okay, so what is ITSM? Information technology service management, or else we can say infrastructure service management. So suppose you have your phone is not working properly. Okay, you just like in Airtel, if you have an Airtel customer, you just call them 198. So this is a customer care. So we have to provide some support. So that thing will be take care of from the service now itself. So not from the Apple customer care. It's like in a company, your laptop is not working fine, your mouse is not working fine. You can raise the complaint there. So they will take care. So again, it won't happen. So that thing will be take care from the ITSM team. So now I'm just coming to ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? Who founded ServiceNow? And these things we have to discuss now. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based tool we can access anywhere. Like in ServiceNow, we can even in mobile also you can access the things. So how to access? So in ServiceNow we have the developer section is free of cost. You just click this link, that or else type in Google ServiceNow developer instance developer.servicenow.com. So then .com, then it will be taking you to register. Here you can register through login ID. Okay, so I will create one more for you guys. So before starting to the section, you just create this one to make sense. So this is a free of cost. So like once you can sign in, it will ask you to create your mail ID. So I just give my mail ID here. So this is all will be free of cost. So we can get the practical real-time experience here. Here, see here, if you want to create a new account, you just click here. It will be giving here. So here you can give. So for example, Durga Prasad and Rajsekhar and Venkatesh, you can fill your name and you can submit. Then you will get a verification mail your Gmail. You just sign off. That's it. And then you can get like this instance. One moment. Yeah, see, you can get like this page. Now I'm just going to a overview. So what is this? So you will get this type of instance freely from ServiceNow. But you go and register, here's developer.servicenow.com and then sign in and then you will get this type of instance. Okay, then you come to here, just give the overview. What is this? This is a filter navigation. This is a filter navigation. This is a banner. This is a banner. So this is a settings like general and theme something here. We can customize our things. So in themes, I want this color. We can make it, but it won't affect anybody. So it will affect. See, you can see before it was green. Now it will be dark blue and combination of violet. So the thing is, here we can do all the things. For example, so this is here we can do more practical things. As example, the company recommends you have to give here creating a 5 user. As administrator, they are asking you to create a 5 users in the task. So you just type users here. So before going to company portal, you just instance, you just create here, get a real-time experience. So I just create new and here sorry. Yeah, so here we can save it. Because it says that already the name has been there, so that's why we not create. Now we can create. So here, so the thing is, first admin task they are giving here is create a 5 user and 5 groups. Adding that 5 groups, those 5 users in all the groups. That in that way it will be going good. So next I just go for group. So how to create a group? In filter navigation, you can type group, G-R-O-U-P. So this is a filter navigation group. Here you can go to under system definition or under system security, just go to group, new. So here there are, this is a one type of real-time experience we are sharing here. So here they are asking you to add the members. So go to go to new or then created one or else edit. So what we have to create Lakshmi 1, 2, 3, we can add it here. See, so this 3, yeah, I have add here and save it. Any doubts up to now? Rajsekhar and other guys, Venkatesh, Durga Prasad?
No.
So what is this Durga Prasad then? What is this called?
File navigation.
Filter navigation. Great. And what is this?
Banner.
Yeah, great. What is this? This is a content frame.
Yes.
Okay, content frame. So what is this called content frame in the sense when we just user, I will click a user, it only changes the things, not it won't affect the full screen. See, if you just Google or if I just go to Gmail, see, whole page will be reloading, but this content page, just clicking here, it just changing here only. So that is called content frame. So here, this is here filter navigation and this is here banner. Venkatesh, do you have any doubt here? Venkatesh? Rajsekhar? Rajsekhar, unmute yourself. Venkatesh? Venkatesh? Venkatesh, can you able to hear me, Venkatesh? Venkatesh, you there? So, yeah, this is the real time. So here we can practice the things what we have to go here and what we have to do. In administrate, this instance will not get any amount for you guys. This is only free of cost. So the thing is here we have to go and create, we also getting a real time experience. The course will be covering, it starts from the questioning section, the previous section, what we have to discuss. The next is first 5 minutes will be the question section, and the next 50 minutes will be the along with the practical and the theoretical section. The third 5 minutes is there for your questions. If you have more doubts, we can extend the section 2 that day. But you need to speak up. If you cannot understand, you can directly ask me there. Like, ma'am, I cannot understand here. What you could you please repeat there itself? So the thing is you need to understand the concept clearly. So it may you give more boldness and courageous when you face the interview, and along with the any company if you go and work on, yeah, it's possible to achieve this. Any doubts here, Venkatesh? Durga Prasad?
No.
Okay, great. I'm not sure why Venkatesh and Rajesh are not speaking. That's okay. So these are the syllabus we are covering into the course. So ServiceNow administration, ITSM and portal. There is a package. So if you know these three in the market, you can definitely get a job. If you know these three things, you know these three things, like very fluently, and we can achieve this. Then you can get sure if you know the portal itself, you can get a valid, and ServiceNow certifier. It's also a 1+. There is a opportunity more and more when you give when you have a ServiceNow administrator certificate and ITSM along with the portal. There is a package you need to discuss with Subbu for this. Okay, now I just give you an overview of ServiceNow administrator. What is we have to cover in this only for ServiceNow admin. So this is this class should be a 1 month of like 1 month up to 30 days to 45 days based on your understanding. So if you're not if you're not okay with the not completing the topic, we can extend up to 1.5 months also. But here you need to understand thoroughly. That's why we have a questioning section here first 5 minutes. Always we are asking, and also here we can give the lab exercise. Daily have to open your instance. After completing the section, we have to provide in that we have to provide here the lab in the chat. So you need to complete you have to complete tomorrow and get back to us. So this is very important. You have to do the lab section. So model 1 intro to ServiceNow. And then configuring user and group, what we have to do here. So create a group and create a user, and form customization I will teach you later. So this form customization will be coming here, take place here. So and dictionary UI and these things and all, and UI policy, UI action, scripting also take place here. Here in this course we can complete developer and admin task. So tables and columns, how to create the tables and columns, applications and modules, email notification, how to trigger an email notification, updates it, and these things will be covering. But before we are moving to forward, we just note to the things. Any doubts here, Venkatesh, Durga Prasad?
No, actually, what are the modules you covered in this training?
Modules, see, tables and columns. See, modules is there. I will send this document to Subbu. You can refer it. So introduction to servicenow.com. So how to log in and these things will be, and then configuring users and groups, and basic form and list customization. And also here we are complete incident problem change management, ITSM. ITSM, basics of ITSM we can teach here.
Okay.
So UI policy, UI action, scripting. So tables and columns, application and modules, and then email notification, updates it, SLAs, service level agreement, service catalog, security, reports, gadgets, going further, plugins. That's it. This is only administrator and developer part. So if you want to learn portal and ITSM, there is a package. It's very compared to all these things, that package is very less. Yeah, you just talk with Subbu for further discussion.
Actually, my friend suggested me that to learn ITSM and integration part only.
But Durga Prasad, before knowing this admin, how you can go to ITSM? Here
Yes,
also
yes,
we are taking the ITSM. It will include in this module also.
Yes, admin part is common for every module, but I want to learn ITSM and integration part only.
Okay, yeah, we can cover here. So ITSM, first you need to know what is the ITSM concept. Then we have a management, incident management, problem management, service catalog, service management, and change management. Integration also we are covering here. Basics of integration.
Basics, okay.
Yes.
What type
So
of
integration, Durga Prasad, integration, at least you have 5 years of experience in service now. Then only you got to know what is integration and these things and all.
Okay. Actually, in integration part, there are two type of integrations are there, like REST and SOAP.
Yeah, REST and SOAP through ServiceNow. If suppose Salesforce is there, right? Salesforce to ServiceNow, there is an integration. If Salesforce tool sometimes the job page, automatically the instance will be created in our ServiceNow tool. So how can we achieve it? We can do that too here.
Okay.
Nowadays IT SM is very more common to learn. So in this section also I'm taking, see, I'm not included here, but before going to users and group, after this tables and columns, I'm showing you the basic things of ITIL, incident problem change. Here this is a catalog, so we are creating a catalog, right? So here we are giving the service request model we can cover here. So that's what I'm saying. Your admin, along with do you have an administration certificate?
No. I am new to the service.
Okay. So if you administrator certificate, if you have, then it will be more powerful. So there is no there is no certification for ITSM, but there is a certification for ServiceNow ITSM.
Is it helpful for?
Go ahead.
Is it helpful for ServiceNow developer administration?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Here we can learn coding. So administrator along with the developer. So we can write the JavaScript here inside that UI policy, client script, business rule. So these are coming under developer. So how to create a catalog item, how to create a order guide. This will be coming
no.
under the developer.
No. My question is administration certificate is useful for ServiceNow developer?
Yes. See, recently one of the teammates, so he got an opportunity to in ServiceNow, but because of a ServiceNow admin certificate, he is not a certified, so he is holding an offer for him actually.
Okay.
Nowadays, if you go to, for example, CTS, some company, they're asking you to complete ServiceNow administrator certificate and then join to our company.
Okay. What are the opportunities like administration or developer? More number of the calls.
If you know the administrator, developer, and ITSM portal, you have more value compared to all of these guys. See, nowadays they are learning ServiceNow, but they didn't they are not going further. Actually, they doesn't know the service portal, so that is a drawback for them. So if you know ServiceNow admin, you are administrator certified. That is one plus. Along with the ITSM in the sense incident problem change. Along with the portal, if you know these three things, you will get a better opportunity compared to all other guys.
Okay.
So who is searching for the job, you know very thoroughly. Like, see, not the single tasks. If whatever I give in the lab section, you have to do it your own interest. Sure, I'm sure you will get a definitely go and face the interview, and also you go and clear the interview. In after that you join into the company also is very useful for you. So because even I have an IT experience, 5+ years in experience, and also currently like what the things is going on, I know that. So because so maybe I will give the practical things based on my real time experience.
Okay.
So Venkatesh, yes, Durga Prasad, do you have any questions?
If I put the 3 years of fake experience, I say I know all the things. They believe or not.
That is up to you, Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad, you need to be bold enough. See, even one of my friends, she joined actually 2 years of experience in CGI. Now she's working good. So because after joining, they will take care of. After joining, you can struggle it. That's it. Before joining, see, do you know, Durga Prasad? See, after joining also, in your colleague doesn't know the things what we learned, because they thought that we are working, but they doesn't concentrate fully on the work. So we have a more interest to learn the things. So compared to you, those guys will get a little knowledge.
Okay.
Because in training and practical experience, we get a lot and lot knowledge. See, if you go something good, if you join into the company, consider like this, and then your friend is not working in ServiceNow, there is BMC. Suddenly they change to ServiceNow. But see, you know all the things: how to create a group, how to create a user, how to create a catalog item, how to write the code inside that. Yeah, we can finally achieve that. Even portal doesn't know anyone. If you know the portal, yeah, you can.
Okay.
You have to speak boldly that you have an experience on that. That's why we are giving here experience, like a lab experience to you, giving the real-time experience knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Venkatesh, Rajsekhar, are you able to speak or not? I think so, Rajsekhar won't. Venkatesh? 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 Maybe he was also left. Okay, Durga Prasad, what about your opinion? You just let Subbu know so we can go ahead the things. So this is the PPT. Venkatesh, you can able to speak now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts, Venkatesh? You won't speak actually. I asked so many times.
No doubt. You will cover the scripting also, the service now developing side.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Venkatesh, we are covering that too. So, like in portal and ITSM, all these things will be take care of like Subbu. So you just discuss with him. See, after nowadays they are saying that I'm not sure. ServiceNow is saying that we are closing the voucher soon this month. Actually, they are extended. March month they are releasing the voucher. Up to they are extending the voucher. So within a short span of time, they are closing the voucher code. So maybe you can get easily as soon as when you join within a 1 week of time, we can achieve it. So that's what I'm saying. And also you have to see whatever it may be, Venkatesh, but you need to understand thoroughly. If you're not there,
Okay.
just ask me there itself.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts, you need to speak up actually. So even, see, I'm even trainer, I'm okay. So, but you have to speak and you have to show them, yeah, I have an experience. Yeah, I know these things. You need to prove them. Okay, that's what you need
Okay.
to communicate more. Okay. All the best for you guys. Get a better future in ServiceNow. And also I'm saying that ServiceNow is very, very, very easy tool to learn compared to other tool. Here JavaScript is very, very easy to learn the things like as HTML and CSS. So we just go ahead and complete the things within a short span of time, and also you will get a better opportunity and better salary compared to all other guys, I'm sure. Okay, Venkatesh?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the best. Yeah, let's meet the next section based on your feedback. Yeah, any doubts you can ask me here, or else I will close the section.
How much experience we have related to service now?
5+.
Okay.
Venkatesh, do you have any question?
Yes. No.
Okay. Okay, speak,
Very.
Venkatesh, speak up. Yes, Venkatesh,
Which
go
company
ahead.
you have working? Which company you have working?
That is, we cannot say in the section now, Venkatesh. Okay.
Okay, your total IT experience?
Total IT experience is 5+ only, Durga Prasad. What I'm saying is fully into the service now only.
Okay, okay.
Initially, I started my career as an admin, then developer. Nowadays, that I have a senior developer in my company.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Okay. You guys, where are you from? You are from Andhra only?
Yeah, I'm from Andhra.
Okay. Venkatesh, you?
Yeah, I'm from Telangana, Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay, great. All the best for your career start with the service now. All the best. All the very best. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.